筷子的。Erica is playing this game where you have to like do all these tasks and slack off. And look at how fast she's typing. She has to type all these before her boss comes. She's on the leaderboard like 5 times before she's still doing it. Guys are on the bed, not doing anything. Tiffany will never allow me on her bed, but she'll allow you!
Yeah, because she's just annoying.
Yeah, you never allow us on your bed.
Yeah.
Because you're filthy.
Oh. Mustard, boy. You ain't my status. Look, right now.
So Tiffany, what are you making today? Macaroons again, because I suck my butt. Okay, so they're filming Tiny, my dog, humping, and this is their reaction.
Oh my gosh! She's on those little bungees, you know those bungees?
What bungees?
Little bungee toys.
So Tiffany made these macaroons, and
Oh my god, they look so perfect.
what kind of macaroons are they?
Oh, they're coffee and they're filled with chocolate.
Chocolate ganache, that is. And in the Orno, there's
Those
more.
suck butt though.
But these are pretty good. If you've seen her first one, these are pretty good. So this is a macaron that Tiffany made. It's gorgeous. And then these are kind of like, you know, yeah. We ended up not doing a lot today, so that's why this vlog sucks.
You like those?
And Gracia likes Luke.
Erica likes
筷子的。